Welcome to Canvic Trader YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce a virtual trading platform, and this is the best way to practice your trading and improve your trading skills. No need to lose your hard-earned money from your pocket doing that and trying other strategies and all that. So this is the best way to trade. So I am doing that. I personally liked it so much. So hope you liked it as well. And before going into the video, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed our channel. That will help you and really motivate us to get more videos useful for your trading curve. Thank you. And I'm introducing this one, neostox. This is neostox trading platform. It's a virtual trading platform, and you can trade with on live actually. We have a different virtual trading platforms, but it will lag or something, and they are having its own advantages and disadvantages also. But this is completely live, and we can add a number of scripts over here. I'll try to show you that. I want to add a bank nifty option over here. 34,000 call I have added, and 34,000 PE also I'm adding. This is nifty. So I have taken some straddles actually. You can see the fluctuation in the prices and LTP also. This instrument Nifty 6th May 49,050 PE and CE. I have taken this straddle. So I have finished my actual trading today. I have done my daily targets. So I'm just sitting idly and doing all these kind of experiments. Generally, I do that. So these are straddles. I have taken 3 straddles. So let me check because Nifty already struck in this range actually in this box. Okay, just taken the trades and we'll try to take bank nifty trade as well. Just I'm for the demonstration sake I'm taking this P buy, and you can select intraday or overnight, market order, limit order, and stop limit, target, stop loss. No need to explain all these things as you know everything. So fix it. This is auto calculated as per our what you have in your account, in virtual account, whatever the amount capital in your account. It will take as a 100% investment, or you can select as a 50% also. So but I'm not taking it, I'm just taking it a fixed percentage. So you can change the lot size also. Here you can check, and it will show you the margin requirement also, and the LTP also keep on changing, you can observe it. Okay, so fix. So I'm taking 100 quantity, 34,000 PE. Okay, just market buy. So it's got executed, bank nifty 34,000 PE, and it's a normal 100 quantity 416. So my profit is started. So you can see the option live actually, live it's happening. Okay, and then trade panel, this is one, and it is having multiple options like option analyzer. You can see by OA and all these things. You can explore later because it's not that much important for me. I just want to introduce a virtual trading platform so you can analyze that. And we'll posting the joining link also, though it's free. I'm posting the link. In future you'll get some special benefits also as well. So hope you join through that link. This is the index analyzer holistic view. You can see what kind of index is in green or red and what is the percentage. You can see these. They're having a lot of options actually, very useful, and they're too free actually. It's completely free site. So it is down, and you can see direct view actually. And straddles also the next option. If you want to see in Nifty, it is it's 14,950. Who are into selling, they'll understand this one. The complete 14,950 CE and PE including this is the price. So we can directly sell and buy also. I've sold from this option only, this window only. Okay, and you can top up whatever the amount also. Okay, up to 1 crore you can top up. And normal profile, if you have any clarification, you can check their website, this one also. I'm giving the link in the description, you can join that. And this is trade panel which we are seeing here. They are giving the uh, chart also, but I am, if you press this hide graph and show graph, it will show you that. Where is our bank nifty? Oh, market is moving up. So how to exit? Here we can directly stop loss. We can place fixed stop loss, and trailing stop loss also they are giving like algo, but we are not using that. And you can keep the target also. If you are busy or away from system, you can set the target and leave also. You can check the strategy whether it is working or not, how it is working, and all this stuff. So it will give you the analyzing also for how many trades you have taken and how many are the win rate and lose rate. Everything it will give you. And this is the history also. You can see just like a normal a real time broker. So we'll try to exit this one with the, if you press directly this exit one, it will directly ask for the market trade. If you press and sell, it will directly goes up. Fine, I'll exit this one. Exit, that's it. Then exit price is 402 and net PNL 14,400. Okay. So this is all about the virtual trading platform. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching this. Signing up, Shyam.